In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G to your AirPods. First of all, just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. If your AirPods charge is low, just plug your AirPods into charge. Now once you have charged your AirPods, now on your tablet, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Bluetooth. Now after you enable Bluetooth on your tablet, the next step is just open the lid of your AirPods, then double tap on the LED on your AirPods case. And once your AirPods start blinking white, then this means that your AirPods have entered into pairing mode. Now from here, just tap on Scan on your tablet. And after you do that, you will find the signal of your AirPods on the screen. Now just tap on the name of your AirPods and select Pair. And after you do that, you will successfully pair your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G to your AirPods, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.